Okay, guys.
That's the first 2,000. Jungle John LaMedica. Inside the coffin right now, thousands of roaches. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. There are about 6,000 roaches in there right now. Look at all of those roaches crawling under him. Look at this, a whole sea of them. It's unbelievable. John, all those little pieces of dust or dirt, what is that? Is it what I fear?
Cockroach fertilizer.
It's excrement, isn't it?
Yeah.
From all those, oh
It
my
is.
God. Oh.
8,000. 10. 12.
There are now 12,000 cockroaches in with Jungle John. Oh, I cannot believe this. I can't imagine what it feels like. 18,000 cockroaches in with Jungle John now. Remember those spines that those little legs are digging into him right now. And look at how he is covered from head to toe. Literally every part of his body. Here comes the last group of 2,000 cockroaches, bringing the total to 20,000. Now they just added a bowl filled with the 50 cockroaches that you saw at the beginning of the segment. That brings a total of 20,050 cockroaches. There it is. All the cockroaches are now in the coffin. You are looking at man and insect coexisting for one record. Congratulations, John. 20,050 cockroaches are covering you. I want to go through a replay, John. If you can see a monitor from where you are, I don't want you to get up, but oh, John. Just